Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in an equation. In this video, we will be focusing on the problem, solve for the variable 5x minus 6 equals 4. We will walk you through step by step on how to isolate the variable x and find its value. Let's get started. To solve the equation 5x minus 6 equals 4, the first step is to isolate the term that contains the variable x. We start with the equation 5x minus 6 equals 4. Our goal is to move the minus 6 to the other side of the equation so that we have 5x on one side by itself. To do this, we need to add 6 to both sides of the equation because adding 6 is the opposite of subtracting 6. This operation will cancel out the minus 6 on the left side. So, add 6 to both sides of the equation. The equation now looks like this: 5x minus 6 plus 6 on the left side and 4 plus 6 on the right side. Simplifying both sides, we get 5x on the left side because minus 6 plus 6 equals 0. On the right side, 4 plus 6 equals 10. Therefore, after performing this step, the altered equation is 5x equals 10. This completes step 1, where we successfully isolated the term containing the variable x. In step 2, our goal is to solve for the variable x now that we have the equation 5x equals 10. To do this, we need to isolate x by itself. In the equation, 5x means 5 times x. To reverse the operation and get x alone, we need to do the opposite of multiplying by 5, which is dividing by 5. This means we will divide both sides of the equation by 5. So we divide the left side of the equation by 5, which is 5x divided by 5. And we divide the right side of the equation by 5, which is 10 divided by 5. When we divide 5x by 5, we get x because 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 1 times x is simply x. On the other side, when we divide 10 by 5, we get 2 because 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Therefore, after performing this step, we find x equals 2. This completes step 2, and it is also the final step. We have successfully solved for the variable x, and the solution is x equals 2. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.